Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to manually access and use GoodXpert through the GoodXpert button. If you would like to find out more about how to automatically integrate GoodXpert into your workflow events, please refer to the user manual, How to Integrate AI into Workflow Events. The GoodXpert is an intelligent assistant that simplifies note-taking. Instead of manually searching through patient files or compiling data, you can type a simple prompt and GoodXpert will return clear, structured notes tailored to your needs. Please note that GoodXpert can be accessed wherever you see the GoodXpert logo. However, a best practice is to integrate GoodXpert directly into your clinical forms. When manually accessing the GoodXpert button, for the best results, make sure the patient's medical or clinical data is completed before using this function. Let's get started. We'll begin from the Quick Notes screen. To learn more about Quick Notes, please refer to the tutorial How to Make Quick Notes. Click on the GoodXpert button. The GoodXpert screen will open. Here you can refine the results by including additional context for the system to include in your response. To do this, select from the following options. Tick demographic data to include details from the patient's file. Tick medical history to allow the GoodXpert to use the patient's clinical history. Furthermore, we can also tell the system to look at the audio recordings we have for our current appointment. Please note that any recordings outside the recording of the current appointment will not be displayed here. The audio recording can be anything from the actual consultation recording or the practitioner's summary of the consultation's finding. The recording can also include the instruction or prompt you would like to give the system. We can also instruct the system to consider any active workflow events we currently have open, giving it even more information to work with. Thereafter, we have the user prompt section. In this section, we can both provide even more information for the system to consider, or we can solely give it a prompt and it will then only consider the selected contexts we've selected above. If you've already typed information in the Quick Note field, click Load from Linked Text area to copy that data into the GoodXpert. Alternatively, type your request directly into the user prompt text field. Once done, click Send to generate your response. Please note that this area cannot be edited. You now have two options. Click Copy to Clipboard to paste the response elsewhere, or click Save to Linked Text area to send the response directly to the field where you first opened the GoodXpert, such as your active clinical form. Here, you can edit your response as necessary. And that's it. You now know how to manually navigate and use the GoodXpert to quickly generate accurate notes from patient data.